I just couldn't tell what was under there. He came in as a stray in quite a state and probably felt pretty terrible, but he was pretty motivated by some hot dogs and cheese.
Look at the ears. They're like plastered in. Oh, that was my finger. Oh, that's like one solid piece.
Oh, you got cute little teeth.
Yeah.
Oh, you got cute little teeth.
So we kind of set him down on the floor and he came to each of us and wagged what he could of his tail because it was so heavy. And we just knew that was it. That was the dog we had to help. He very much smelled like a barnyard when we put him in the back of our vehicle.
Hey, Baba.
We really just wanted to give him a moment to decompress.
You see your face under there. I know. It's okay. Fight me emotions.
My initial reaction was, this is bad. I put him on the table and he was like, all right, let's do it. I had to use a surgical blade to try to get into the bottom of these mats.
Mario would be there tunneling and tunneling millimeter by millimeter, and he would get through these small pieces. It was like you saw the light.
You gotta go. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay, Dad. Good boy, Panda. I'm curious to know how much all that weighs on them.
Oh, we'll wait.
Good boy.
Yay! I see the ear, Mama. Oh.
The more and more that came off, you could tell he was feeling better and better. It was pretty miraculous. As soon as those top layers came off, we were like, oh my God, this is a puppy.
He was like, so much better.
And I think once we realized that Panda was young and from what we could tell healthy, it was just kind of unwrapping the gift. He really turned out to be such an incredible little dog and so cute and so friendly.
I was so excited. So excited that he now is a dog.
I was scrolling through Instagram and I see Panda looking like a little matted lump getting groomed. I know it sounds crazy, but I just want to meet him.
Super sweet.
The one main thing going through my head was, I hope he likes me. He just started to play with us.
You are so distracted. Yes, you are. Yes.
We were just like, yeah, this is a good fit.
Congrats, pandas. Bye, panda.
Once he got a soft bed and blanket, I think it was then he realized, these are my people, this is my pack. He's already got 2 car seats and a stroller. He loves his Target runs. He loves his Starbucks runs. Every time I grab my purse, he's like, where are we going?
It's just people and puppy watch.
Oh, that tail. It just feels really good. Being able to give him a warm, happy home, a bed, a blanket, us to snuggle with. And it's just going to get better from here.